Are you tired of your phone screen going to sleep every time you plug it in to charge? While you're not alone today, I'm diving into solutions to keep your screen awake while charging, ensuring you never miss an important notification or update again. So, let's begin. First, open up the settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. Find the developer option. If you don't see the developer option there, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build Number for 7 times, and then go back to the Settings page under the About Phone option. You will find the developer options, then tap on it. Here you will find the Stay Awake option. Now, just toggle it on. By turning on this feature, your Samsung phone screen will never sleep while charging. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped with the knowledge to keep your Samsung phone screen wide awake while charging. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more tech fixes, and share this video with fellow Samsung users. Thanks for tuning in.